So like that's the main reason I'm not doing it is like, to be honest, I'm pretty mentally, physically, emotionally exhausted. I've been competing for a year straight. Tolls can be taken, and obviously I've been very fortunate to have so many great opportunities over the course.
As the 2024 Paris Olympics draw closer, Caitlin Clark, the rising star of women's basketball, is taking a well-deserved break from the sport. After an intense year filled with groundbreaking achievements, she views her recent snub from Team USA as a blessing in disguise. Rather than seeing it as a setback, Clark recognizes the importance of stepping back to recharge her emotional and physical batteries. After all, even the most unstoppable athletes need to pause and reflect. Caitlin Clark, a 22-year-old sharpshooting playmaker, has captivated the world of sports with her jaw-dropping performances and humble demeanor. Her recent journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From leading the UA Hawkeyes to the NCAA National Championship game to being drafted by the Indiana Fever in the WNBA, she has quickly become a fan favorite and a role model for aspiring young athletes, especially girls. Her incredible talent and unwavering dedication to the game have lifted women's basketball to new heights, making her a household name. Despite her superhuman abilities, Clark is human, feeling the weight of the relentless spotlight that accompanies her newfound fame. The past year has seen her constantly in motion, juggling collegiate and professional basketball while navigating the pressures that come with it. As she prepares for her senior season, she knows that taking a break is not only necessary but essential for her well-being. Clark began her senior year with an exhibition game against DePaul, attracting a record-breaking crowd of 55,669 fans. She shattered numerous scoring records during her time at UA, and just weeks after the NCAA National Championship game, where the Hawkeyes fell to South Carolina, she declared for the WNBA. The Fever drafted her shortly thereafter, and she immediately entered a grueling training camp to prepare for her professional career. The start of her WNBA journey was anything but smooth, as the Fever faced a challenging schedule with 11 games in just 20 days, resulting in a tough 2-9 start. However, Clark and her teammates managed to find their rhythm, winning 9 of their last 15 games, bringing their record to 11-15, and securing 7th place in the playoff race. Despite the whirlwind of activity, Clark recognized the need for a break. After participating in the WNBA All-Star Game, where she recorded 4 points and 10 assists, Clark expressed her relief at finally being able to step away from the court. "I honestly can't wait to not touch a basketball for a while," she said, laughing. Her words resonate with the reality of an athlete's life, where the pressure to perform can lead to exhaustion. She candidly shared that she feels the same emotions as everyone else, emphasizing, "I'm just like everyone else." Clark's thoughts on her hiatus come during a time of heightened scrutiny and expectation, especially as the basketball world gears up for the Olympics. Taking this time to recharge is crucial not only for her mental health, but also for her performance on the court. She plans to spend the league's Olympic break in Mexico with her boyfriend, Connor McCaffrey, and a few teammates from the Fever. This vacation is an opportunity for her to unwind and enjoy a slower pace of life after a relentless schedule. The sporting world has reacted to Clark's omission from Team USA, with many expressing disbelief that such a talent was left off the roster. However, sports journalist Jimmy Hill argued that this could be beneficial for her long-term success. Hill noted that Clark has faced an overwhelming transition from collegiate to professional basketball, and a break from the intense pressure could be just what she needs. "A multi-week break probably isn't the worst thing in the world," she stated, highlighting that Clark will eventually have her chance to represent the country on the Olympic stage. Clark's impact on the Indiana Fever has been profound. Last season, the team struggled to find their footing, winning only 14 games, but her arrival has sparked a turnaround. She has already matched that win total this season, demonstrating her ability to elevate those around her. As she prepares for her break, Clark reflects on the demanding journey she has faced, knowing that a well-deserved vacation is crucial for her ongoing success. In the aftermath of the WNBA All-Star Game, Clark was animated and joyful during her media session. "I'm on vacation," she exclaimed, clearly excited about stepping away from the demands of basketball. She acknowledged that her time off would feel strange, stating, "I'm probably going to be anxious that I'm not touching a basketball, but I need to not play for a while." This candid acknowledgement of her feelings showcases her understanding of the importance of self-care and mental health in professional sports. While Clark and her teammates look forward to their much-needed break, the challenges they faced earlier in the season have shaped their resilience and determination. The Fever's demanding schedule put them under significant pressure, leading to criticism and analysis of their performance on social media. Fans scrutinized body language and questioned coaching decisions, but throughout the turbulence, Clark and her teammates continued to show up and work hard, proving their commitment to improvement. Despite the early struggles, the Fever has managed to turn their season around, boasting a record of 11-15 at the Olympic break. The team has demonstrated resilience and growth, which is a testament to their collective effort and determination. Clark's contributions have been instrumental in this turnaround, but she recognizes that the team effort is equally vital. As the Fever prepares for the second half of the season, Clark is focused on taking the time to unwind and reconnect with herself away from the court. She knows that rejuvenating her mind and body will be crucial for her performance as the playoffs approach. The intense demands of the first half of the season have taken a toll on many players, and Clark is eager to recharge her batteries before diving back into the competition. Her upcoming vacation in Mexico offers the perfect escape, allowing her to bask in the sun and enjoy the company of friends and loved ones. Clark and her boyfriend shared joyful moments on social media, highlighting the importance of enjoying life outside of basketball. With picturesque views and relaxing activities, this break provides a vital opportunity for Clark to gain perspective on her journey. Caitlin Clark's story is one of perseverance, determination, and the power of taking a break. As she steps away from the relentless grind of professional basketball, she exemplifies the importance of self-care and mental health. In a world where athletes are often expected to perform at their best continuously, Clark's acknowledgement of her own humanity is refreshing. As she embarks on this much-needed vacation, Clark looks forward to returning to the court rejuvenated and ready to tackle the challenges ahead. Her journey is far from over, and the future holds great promise for this extraordinary talent. With her passion for the game and her commitment to excellence, Caitlin Clark is sure to continue making waves in women's basketball for years to come. Ultimately, as fans await her return, they can appreciate the significance of her break, recognizing that even the most gifted athletes must occasionally pause to reflect, recharge, and reconnect with themselves. This time off will not only benefit Clark personally, but also pave the way for her continued success in the competitive world of professional sports. In conclusion, Caitlin Clark's story is a reminder that greatness is not just about relentless pursuit. It's also about understanding the need for balance, rest, and self-care. As she enjoys her time away from the court, fans can look forward to her return as a stronger, more focused athlete ready to leave her mark on the game. With her incredible talent and unwavering dedication, Caitlin Clark is undoubtedly a name that will resonate in the world of basketball for years to come.